Cries for help from a burning building caught on smartphones and spread across Chinese social media. China is implementing a strict zero COVID policy. It's being blamed for the lives that perished in the flames.
The communist government of China is responsible for these deaths.
Serafat lost her mother, Kamanisa, and 4 siblings in the fire. Her 13-year-old sister, Shahida, her brother Imran, who was 11 years old, another brother, 9-year-old Abdulrahman, and Adia, who was just 5 years old.
My beloved ones are gone. Nobody helped.
Serafat Mohammed is a Uyghur living in exile in Istanbul. She received news of her family's death by social media, a week on from the deadly fire that triggered nationwide protests. The family have heard no confirmation of the deaths. There are conflicting details of the numbers of people that died. The family say survivors in Xinjiang who informed them of the deaths were afraid to connect with them. There has been no official naming of the dead.
They didn't tell us where they are or whether they are dead or alive.
Serafat and her brother left her home in Xinjiang to study abroad. They say their father had been detained in a detention camp. The United States has accused China of committing genocide in Xinjiang. Rights groups say China has incarcerated more than 1 million ethnic Uyghurs. The Chinese government call these camps education centres. Serafat must accept she may never see members of her family again.
If my father was with them, maybe my mother and siblings could have survived. I can't contact my family. My father is in a camp. I don't know where my other brothers are. I don't know where my relatives are. But I want to see them. I want to meet them. My mother died and my brother died. I couldn't go to them. I couldn't attend their funerals. It's not just our family. Many other people died too. Our apartment had 21 floors. There were 3 flats on each floor. We don't know about anything. They didn't even tell us where they are, whether they are dead or alive, because they just let them die. They saw it happening and just stood there doing nothing. The government of China must respond. I don't want the world to be silent. Today it's my family, but tomorrow it could be someone else's family. Lots of people died. My mother was a very good woman. She tried to do everyone a favor as much as she could. Even though my father was not there, she took very good care of the children. My siblings were very young. They were innocent. They had done nothing wrong that could harm them. I want the world to never forget these things and to say stop to the persecution in East Turkestan.
The authorities have eased some COVID restrictions in some parts of the country. They say the restrictions had nothing to do with the deaths. But the unprecedented protests have led to a new level of censorship online.